Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the essentials: updated iPad and iCloud active. Now open Freeform and tap the plus to create a new board. Name it so you can find it later. Use a template if you want structure, otherwise start blank. Immediately add a sticky note to capture your main idea, then drop a text box for details. If you have an Apple Pencil, sketch rough layouts. This establishes a visual map that guides every next action. Once your basic items are on the board, you'll organize and refine them. Use the lasso or select tool to group notes, move multiple objects, and resize while keeping proportions. Insert images or PDFs to anchor ideas and use layering so sketches sit above or below media. Add connectors and labels to show relationships, color code sections to signal priority. Make sure to use snap to grid and alignment guides so things stay tidy. To wrap up, invite collaborators with share and set edit or view permissions so people can contribute. Once content is stable, export the board as a PDF or image for distribution, or save a copy to files for archiving. Duplicate the board before major edits to preserve a version. If something goes wrong, check iCloud status first. If boards won't sync, toggle iCloud for Freeform and relaunch the app. This often resolves missing updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.